welcome to the Inside Loop. My name is Patrick Brossart, Enterprise Success Manager here, and this week we're going to be talking about online reviews. 84% of people trust online reviews as much as a friend. 90% of customer reviews impact buying decisions. Everything has reviews these days, not just restaurants and hotels. As a consumer, I'm already shopping for homes online, naturally. I'm going to all these websites to look and shop and look at pictures and details and everything for these homes. Well, not only am I shopping for a home online, I'm also shopping for my future agent online. And I'm going to look at all of those different reviews. So, one, if I have two agents side to side and one has 20 reviews, the other has 0, I'm going to read all 20 of those reviews and have a much more broader perception of this agent and the things that they're going to do for me, as opposed to this agent with 0 views where I have no idea what they're going to do for me in this sale. So right there alone, my money's on them. Now, how do I get these reviews? First, ask for it. In college, I had a professor tell me, if you want a job, ask for it. And so far, I have. And every job opportunity I've come across, I've gotten because I asked for it. Make it easy for the reviewer. Make sure that you're sending them links that they can just click on and then provide feedback. Don't ask them many times to log in here or go here. Make sure you're sending out that link every time that they just have to click and then provide the feedback. dotloop makes that easy today by linking your dotloop account with your Zillow Premier Agent profile. So from within dotloop, you can click one button, solicit that review to your client, capture it, and that automatically posts to your Zillow Premier Agent profile. To make it even easier for the client to provide that feedback, you may want to provide them with a few questions that they can answer while giving that feedback. How was your experience? How likely are you to use this agent again? Or how likely would you be to refer this agent to a friend? Be persistent, but not annoying. Chances are you're going to have to remind your client a few times to provide this review. So don't be surprised if you're needing to remind them 3 or 4 times to do so. But please make sure you space those solicits out, and maybe over a 3 to 4 week time period, send them an email and reminder, and again, send that link out for the ease of use. What about if I get a negative review? Negative reviews will happen, and embrace them, because one, it shows that you're human, right? You're not a perfect person, and other people are going to have negative thoughts or opinions on the services that you've done. Embrace those and reply to those, and maybe share your point of view of that story, or share with everyone how you would remedy that situation the next time. And keep in mind, those occasional bad reviews actually validate your 5-star ratings. 95% of consumers get suspicious when they look at only 5-star reviews. Some negative reviews will help that consumer know that you are human too, and you're not just having your friends and family write these positive reviews. So whether or not you know ahead of time whether or not your client had a positive or negative experience, make sure you're still sending them out them reviews regardless to capture that story, because you may not know that they might have been pleasantly pleased with the experience, even though they may have been a harder client to deal with, and you've worked extra hard. Make sure that you're getting credit for that job well done. So we should all know that these reviews are our own personal lead gen. As one person tells their story of how happy they are with my business, that's one more potential happy customer that's going to read that review and then possibly call me. So make sure that you're capturing these leads and turning them into future clients. Thank you for watching this week's episode of The Inside Loop. Subscribe below or next to me, wherever that button may be, and we'll see you next time.